Hi, I'm Dave Mercer, and welcome back to the 12 Daves of Christmas. One of the greatest holiday traditions is what else? Hanging of the lights. And this year, I promised my wife our lights would look better than anybody's on the street. But how am I going to do it? How did they get in such a mess? No matter what, every single year, I hate these lights. They get all tangled in a disaster. I don't have time for this stuff. There's giant fish to be had. I got a handy buddy, Corey. Corey, come here and help me out. Corey, you take care of those, okay? Hang those up and make sure they're straight. Folks, stay tuned for another great episode of Hotlines coming up right here on WFN Next. Now, Corey, you make sure they're straight. I don't want them to be messed up and tangled and twisted. My wife will get upset. She's home in a couple hours, so you got to get it done real quick. And make sure that all the light bulbs are working. These lights are going to look great. She's going to be so proud of me. What a good job I did. Merry Christmas.